Oprah Winfrey's private jet was at Epstein Island 11 times. Whatever happened to all of the girls that got kidnapped from her school in Africa? Right? So, when you really break this shit down, man, you know what it is, man. It's just crazy. Like, for me, bro, for me, people been screaming conspiracy theory, and calling conspiracy theories crazy all these years, man. People been calling conspiracy theories crazy all these years, man. You know what I'm saying? So, that shit wild, man. Like, that shit is wild, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. That shit is wild, man. When she's, it don't give a fuck what you talking about anymore. Your private jet was over there 11 times, and he had all that shit going on over there, and you're over there, your private jet is over there 11 fucking times? More than damn near a dozen times? A dozen times? Your shit was over there that many times? You was in the mix that motherfucking much? I'm not saying she just guilty of any wrongdoing with Epstein, but it's like when you're showing up that much, when you're showing up that much to the scene, my nigga, and all this shit going on, and you're constantly in the mix, you know what's going on in that motherfucker. She knew.